We got a dirty bike and new grips that we're about to install and clean. Things first, right or left side?
Right side, take off bar ends, and bar ends off, we put a new bar ends. Gotta take off the grip, and just be careful with the coming up. You see they put glue from the factory. This boy's strong. Look at them veins. Alright. This could come out too, to be honest. You don't need that. So grips are off.
One side's off.
On one side, yeah. Should be easy to put the other. Should be alright.
Alright, let's do the other side. Gotta make sure I got like a nice pull too, so like a nice pull. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
Get ready to hold the bike too.
Yeah, it's on the kickstand.
You got it at the end then?
Almost. Two sizes, smaller and bigger. Bigger's for the throttle tube, for obviously it's bigger on that side than the other side. So it's better with alcohol, but put a little bit of soapy water. With this heat, it'll dry up quick, so you won't get any movement while you're pulling the throttle. And here's the struggle part. But with soapy water, you should be good. Just go and you twist away. You're going. Go all the way to the end, and then you just line it up. Keep going. Spin it all the way.
All the way.
Go a little bit. Keep going. And adjust. Too much. Don't go too much. You pretty much want to do it so it's perfectly straight. And then twist afterwards just to get the logo.
No. We got this side.
And then you adjust afterwards. That's the Domino. Now the other side, pretty self-explanatory. It's the same thing. There's some soapy water. Spray some in here.
Done.
Alright, now you just go, and now it's the adjustment. So sit on the bike, so don't pull down. You might just have to go all the way around again. Yeah. Just adjust.
That's perfect.
Adjust. Get this one pulled down a little bit. Swing it out, and that's your Domino install. Super simple.
Bam.
Took off OEM bar ends. It's just a weighted end on here. Loosened that with a 5mm Allen. And we're putting on aluminum R7 bar ends. So the way these work, you get a little adapter piece that inserts in the factory insert, which will be right here. You insert this in here. If you get it for, most of these are universal, but if you get these ones, I believe these were from Amazon. They're about like 120 bucks, somewhere around there. So not too bad. Pretty much just for the looks. You get the cut aluminum. It says R7. So you put this bar end in here, and you gotta put the provided sleeves. So it comes with these two sleeves. And this is pretty much just for it to not hit, when you tighten it, for it to not hit the throttle tube. So you put these two spacers, and then this is directional. So there's a part with a lip and a part with an insert. The insert part goes in here, and you just kind of clips in.
Show that again.
Insert part goes with the insert in here. Put that in there. Then this little lip on the other side blocks again with the spacers that you put, which goes there, and then it gives you another 5mm Allen. Tighten this up. I lied, it's not a 5mm.
It's not?
No, that's probably a 6. We'll make it work just to start it, and you adjust from there and tighten, and that's pretty much it. Very simple process. It's nothing too complicated. It looks good and it protects you, so it's not too bad.
All right, we got the left side now. I'm doing this side.
Left side.
All right, so we installed this thing, the left side. Well, bam. That's a lot of turns.
Should be good right there.
We got spacer number 1. It's a little rough to get in there, but when they go in, they go in. All the way in, right?
All the way in, yep. You see?
I gotta turn it around. Oh,
right there.
You got it. Yeah,
right there's good.
No.
But the other one, right up against it. Yep, right there. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Then we're doing this side, like this. So we're going that way.
Yep. Then bolt goes in there. Then you take a 6mm Allen, and you pretty much hold
how you want it, right?
How you want it.
How you think this one should be?
You might have to adjust the levers a little bit, so because this one hits. You see how big this side is?
I'm buying a new one of these anyways.
Yeah.
So for now
that's not bad.
Gonna go under.
And then you just tighten away. Yeah, hold it right there. No, throttle's not restricted at all, and this is solid. And then you can honestly keep tightening a little bit more. Hold it, just to make it super solid, and it doesn't move on you. So right there, and throttle not restricted at all. This is solid. This is not going nowhere. Same thing with this side. You could crank it a little bit, but we're gonna leave this side a little bit loose because, as you can see, the lever part, we can't put it all the way up because then it'll touch. So then you're constantly holding the clutch, which you don't want. So what we're gonna do is gonna leave it a little under, and we're just gonna replace these OEM levers and have shorties, and it should be good. And that's a simple install on the Domino grips, bar ends.